Good morning, students. Last class we learnt factors affecting the distribution of temperature, temperate zone, torrid zone and frigid zone. Now we are going to learn about the rainfall. Rainfall. Rain is a liquid water in the form of droplets that have condensed from atmospheric water vapor and then become heavy enough to fall under gravity. Rain is a major component of water cycle and is responsible for depositing most of the fresh water on the earth. It is the source of water for all purposes. This is close relationship between the temperature and rainfall distribution. Generally, rainfall is high in the equatorial region and decreases gradually towards the poles. Rainfall is measured by rain gauge. What is rainfall? Rainfall is a measurement of how much water fall as rain in a certain period of time. Example, a week or a month. Rainfall is measured by collecting rainwater across different areas and times, as the amount of any differ between location and times. Next one, how rainfall formed. How rainfall formed. Within a cloud, water droplets condenses onto one another, causing the droplets grow. When these water droplets get too heavy and stay suspended in the cloud, they fall to the earth as rain. Next one, what are the causes of heavy rainfall? Heavy rainfall requires unstable air masses, that is, how cold and get it an altitude greater than 1 degree Celsius per 100 meters. When it happens, the air rises, moisture condenses, when reaching dew point, the temperature and keeps rising because condensation releases latent heat energy. Next we have to learn about air pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the force exerted on a surface by the earth above it as the gravity pulls it to earth. Atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer. Already I told atmospheric pressure is measured by barometer. What is barometer? A barometer is a scientific instrument that is used to measure in a certain environment. Pressure tendency can forecast short-term changes in the weather. Next one, what are the factors that affect the air pressure? There are three factors that affect the air pressure. They are, first one is temperature, second one is altitude, and third one is moisture. Again I tell, first one is temperature, second one is altitude, and third one is moisture. The weight of air above the given area on the earth's surface is called as atmospheric pressure or air pressure. The air pressure is measured by barometer. The standard of air pressure at sea level is 1013.25 MB. At the earth's surface, the pressure is 1.03 kilogram per square centimeter. The variation of standard atmospheric pressure is found both horizontally and vertically. Based on the level of pressure, it is categorized into low pressure and high pressure. Low pressure area is an area in the atmosphere where the pressure is lower than the surrounding area. In this situation, the wind from surrounding blow towards the center of the low pressure. High pressure is an area of the atmospheric where the barometric pressure is higher than the surrounding areas. In this case, the wind is from the center of high pressure blows towards the surrounding of low pressure area. Low pressure system is marked as L on weather map, whereas the high pressure system is marked as H. The low pressure system is also called as depression and cyclones. High pressure system is called anticyclones. Low pressure leads to cloudiness, wind and precipitation. High pressure leads to fair and calm weather. Isobars is used to show the distribution of air pressure. What are the causes of air pressure? Air pressure is caused by weight of the air. Even tiny air molecules have some weight and huge number of air molecules make layers of atmosphere collectively great deal of weight. Thank you, students.